Clouds looking very ominous right now.
Yeah, look at this. This is looking west from the BJCC. It is torrential rainfall coming down now near the airport. You can see it's moving in from the east, and we've had numerous severe thunderstorms already across our viewing area. Live look at the radar right now. There's some really heavy rain that's about to come into the northeastern suburbs of Birmingham. This is mainly towards Roebuck and Trussville. A lot of heavy rain coming in that just passed through Fultondale, and now it's moving towards, again, places like Roebuck and Irondale. So hold on to your hats, folks. Definitely a lot of heavy rain coming in, and this is the first of many rounds that we'll see today. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect until 7 p.m. for all of central Alabama. Thankfully, there are no active warnings in effect. That's some good news. We get a little bit of a break here. But farther to the west, there's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, even a tornado warning in central Arkansas right now. This watch in effect until 11 p.m. tonight. We're mostly concerned about damaging winds and hail for this first round of storms that we see. Here's the severe weather outlook. Moderate risk, that's a 4 out of 5 from West Alabama through Mississippi and over into Arkansas and Louisiana as a squall line develops. That's mainly what we're concerned with later tonight as the damaging wind threat really pans out. There's a 45% risk of damaging winds tonight. That's really high, especially considering, past couple of events, we've seen supercells that break out across the area. This is mostly going to be a squall line that we see tonight, and that'll continue into tomorrow morning. Here's a look at all the threats that we have for tonight. It's a high threat for high winds and hail. We've already seen numerous reports of that have come in, namely towards Kimberly and Morris up in northeastern Jefferson County, and that'll be continuing for the rest of the night tonight. This second round of storms that we see will be tomorrow morning, coming in really early, so you'll need to have your weather radios charged without a doubt from around 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. as that strongest line of storms pushes in. 5 a.m. to around 8 a.m. for much of East Alabama towards Anniston and Talladega. So let's take you through that FUTURECAST and play it out for you with time. So for the rest of the evening, we'll be seeing more of these kind of popcorn showers. That'll continue after around sunset tonight. And our latest FUTURECAST has a first round of thunderstorm, first squall line, I should say, comes in around 10 p.m., 11 p.m., continues after midnight. Now, the really worst of the weather, I think, won't get here once again until around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning as this round of storms comes in. You see how tight the reflectivity here is in our FUTURECAST. That just goes to show you that we could have some really strong winds that form on the leading edge of this squall line, on the order of around 60 to 70 miles per hour. So if you haven't done so already, bring your plants indoors because they may get jostled around the wind, as well as those trash cans. Not a bad idea. The storms will clear out of here by around 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then we're pretty much in the clear for the rest of the afternoon tomorrow. So if you haven't done so already, download the free CBS 42 News app. Turn on the weather alerts. That's one great way to receive those watches and warnings as they become available. Charge up your weather radio and know where your safe spot is. That's an interior room away from doors and windows, just in case we have a stray tornado warning that does pop up. That is a possibility, especially on the leading edge of that squall line. Here's that 7-day forecast. Definitely hold on to your umbrella the rest of the night tonight if you do plan on going out, but you're not going to need it for Sunday and for Monday. The sun shines back out for Sunday as well as for Monday, and we stay pretty warm. Highs in the lower 80s Monday. A few more chances of showers Wednesday and Thursday later on next week. Back over to you.
Griffin.